so welcome back to my channel. Today I'm actually going to show you guys how I tag my clothing when they come in. I actually do all my tagging before I sell it, only because I want to make sure that this step is done. And when you have a lot of orders, you really don't want to have to be tagging all your clothing at the same time, a lot of pack your orders and ship them. But I also go ahead and tag them, so therefore I'm always ready, or should I say one step is always done when I'm getting ready to do my pop-up shop. So I'm going to go ahead and tag a piece of merchandise that I have for you guys. So this is the card or the hang tag that I made. I put a link up here somewhere, so therefore you guys can watch the video on how I made my own hang tags. Because honey, when you're a small business owner, when you're just starting off, you do not want to spend a lot of money. So the only thing you're going to definitely need is just a hang tag, and you're going to need one of these guns. Here's the tagging gun. I'll put a link again in the description box below where I got this from on Amazon. So the most important part of tagging is making sure that you tag in the seam, so you do not put a hole in your clothing, because that will definitely be a waste of money. So here, this sports bra has a lot of seams on there. So all you have to do, so here's the tagging hang tag, and actually here's the gun. So I'm just gonna go ahead and poke my hole through there. Okay, and then I'm going to find a seam. So anywhere you see a seam, so basically a seam is where the little stitching is, for those of us who don't know or who don't sew, but that's just basically a seam. So I'm going to actually just stick it through there. So stick it through the seam, because I do not want to put a hole in it. So what I like to do is, before I actually stick the gun through, I like to look on the other side to make sure that it's going through the seam. And I'm just going to put it in there and shoot the gun. And bam, my hang tag is on there. Very simple, very easy. And that's all you have to do. And now you have your own brand on your clothing, and also on the back you're able to write the size that this is, and also the price that it is, and also your social media handle. So therefore, when people go home, they'll know where they bought the merchandise from, and also they know how to find you on social media. So you guys, simple, easy peasy. That is how you brand your own clothing.